Hello friends, good morning to everybody. Myself Professor T.S. Hundali. Today I am going to explain how to draw the projection of triangular prism with the help of Solid Edge software. In your question bank, first problem, a triangular prism with one of its rectangular faces parallel to VP. So given problem is one of its rectangular faces parallel to VP and nearer to it is cut as shown in figure. Draw the development of the retained portion of the prism which are shown in dark lines. So first we are going to draw their top and front views. Then we have to draw the development of the lateral surface of this triangular prism. Okay, this is first we have to show it on VP and HP. Okay, I am going to select this given sketch in the front and top views with the help of the solid edge. Just click on the solid edge, your sheet is open and sheet is set up to A4 size sheet. Okay, then fit to the screen. So first click the line command option, line command. I would draw the XY line. Okay, and you write the text. This is X, this is Y. Okay, then this is VP, then this is HP, horizontal plane. Okay, first you draw the in top view the given prism is triangular prism, that is equilateral triangular prism. The top and bottom faces are is 40 sides each. So you draw the horizontal line of first 40 length, select line command. So here I am going to draw 40, enter, 0, enter, means at an angle of 0. Okay, then so included angle is here. So first you draw that sides 40, enter. Okay, later I am going to maintain the angle between this is so easiest method. So this and this is measures how much now, so 59, you change it to 60, right? Now similarly you select this. Now I want to remove this angle, then select line command. So from this extreme end you connect this edge. Now it forms the equilateral triangular lamina of side. Go to smart dimension, you show the dimensions is, you change it is what it is 39, you change it to 40. Okay, so check once again the dimensions all or 40 are there or not. Click on this, change it to 40, click on this, this is how much, change it to 40. Okay, now all sides are 40 I am deleting these two dimensions, right? So first I am going to draw the front view. The height of the given problem is mentioned is select line command, and I take the select the thin line. Okay, click on this, draw this projection lines on this. Okay, here I am going to select the height of this triangular prism of, it is 60 it is given height is 60, enter, 90, enter, and width is 40, enter, towards left is 180, enter. Then you construct this baseline also. Okay, now this height is, it measures 60 mm. See, this height is 60 mm. So it is cut in the front view as at a distance height of 15 mm. 15 mm means, so here to just I am going to draw a line here. Okay, maintain the distance between these two lines is, so maintain 15 mm. What is how much it is now? How much it is? 15. You have to maintain 15, enter. Okay, next, it is given in the problem. This dimension is mentioned in the problem. Just I want to trim this line and this line. Okay, we are going to connect, form the triangle. Okay, at what distance? What distance we are going to form? So in this problem, they are cut the height of 11 mm from the 11 mm from the this center line. From this side 11 mm, to draw the vertical lines, select line command, it cuts in this fashion. This is one plane, draw vertical lines. Okay, this distance is maintained. Distance between this and this is how much? It is 10.77. You have to maintain 11. Similarly, this side also the line is vertically, that plane cuts, maintain the distance between this line and this line is 11, enter. Okay, so now we are going to form the triangle. So you trim before making the triangle, you trim these unwanted lines. Okay, and measure the distance. This distance measures how much it is. This is 22. Smart dimension. You split this line first. At this point I am going to split, measure this distance is 18. Okay, so now select line command, you join these corners, you select the zoom command, zoom option, you select this front view and connect the lines between here at this point. Line at this point. So select line command, and this point, this is the extreme end. split this line. It is not taking. You split at this point. Now join the line, this and this. Similarly, at this point, choose the intersection, select line command. From this extreme end to select here. Okay, you make these lines bolds. Which lines? The given in the front view is, you select, first you split this line here to here. This portion I am going to make the line bold. It is already, it is there. Select this also. You make this at this point. You have to make this line as bold. Okay, this also. Select line command, hold, select this line and hold the control button. You select these lines, right, and base line, this line also, and make the thickness of these lines 0.5 mm thick. So this is, we are going to show the development of this. And select this line and you split at this point. It is very thin line. This is the projection line. Okay, you make this line thin. Split, select and split at this point. Again select this line. You make it 0.5 mm, 0.13 mm thick, and select this also 0.13 thick. See, this is the front view, this is the top view. Okay, split, select this line, you split at this point. Otherwise you are confusing the lines. This is 0.13. Only this thick line portion we are going to develop. Okay, now you show the dimensions between the lines, and we have to give the text, write the text. This point is A, we call it as point A. This point is, we call it as B here, B. This point is C, and the distance is, this is 18 mm, this is 20 mm. So we name the numbering. Okay, so this is point, we call it as 1, it is point 1. This is point, we call it as it is 2.2. This is point 3 at B, 3, and 4. This is point 4, and this point is 5 at C, 5. This is 6, right? This is 7. This point is 8, right? Now we are going to, with the select tool, just you zoom it, you make the numbering properly. This is 8, this is 7, this is 6. Okay, this is 5, this point is 3, this point is B here. Okay, this is point A, and make this line also bold in the front view. Hold control button, select all the edges, make it 0.5 mm thick. Okay, so in the front view you name the same numbers. Here in the front view, 1, this is 1 becomes 1 dash. You select the text, so this is 1 1 dash 1 dash. This is 2 dash 2 dash. Okay, this is 2 dash. This point is 3 dash 3 dash, right? The point is, this point is 4 dash. This is 5 dash 5 dash, and this point is, take it as 6 dash 6 dash. This is point 7 dash 7 dash, and this point is 8 dash. Which one? This point we write it as 8 dash. Okay, now you zoom it, this front view, you set the numbers properly. Okay, so this is, just you select tool, you keep it properly. This is 5 and 8. This point is 4 dash. This is 1 dash. This is 3 dash. This is 7 dash, right? So now we are going to draw the development of this. Once we are getting this front and top views, so next part is we are going to draw the development. So this is the equilateral triangular prism. Means first we have to select the length. This is 3 sides, means one side is 40 mm. The total length required for the development of the lateral surface is 120 mm, because 40 plus 40, 80 plus 40 is how much it is? 120. You select 120. So from this 120, enter. Angle is 0, enter. Okay, the height of this prism is, you select, I want to select thin line, it is 60 mm height. First enter 60, enter 90, enter. Similarly 120, enter. You are moving towards left is 180, so it is 180, enter, and close this. Now I am going to draw the vertical lines. From this point is 40, enter, 0, enter. From this vertical line I am going to draw again at the same point 40, enter, 0, enter. Okay, here I am going to draw the another vertical line. In between, that lines are there exactly at the center. Okay, this AB, in between AB, here point A, this point is B, 18 mm distance. At a distance of 18 mm I am going to draw another line, 18, enter, 0, enter. Okay, from this I am going to draw vertical line. Similarly at this end here, so this point B and C. Okay, otherwise you named first text. So this is A, this point is A, this is B, this point is B, this point is, we call it as, it is, this is C. Again come to A. So here A to B, here distance 18 mm. So A to B, this is the side from here to here 18 mm, you have to show it. And from this B to C, this is the side, second side B to C. So distance from in between this from behind before C, this distance is 18 mm. So here from this side we are going to mention the distance of 18 mm. This is, you select this end, this side 18, enter 180 towards left. Okay, you draw the vertical line, you trim unwanted line, you trim this line. Okay, and here also we have to draw the lines exactly at from this end to here at the middle is 20, enter 0, enter. So first you draw the vertical line, and from the center line, so here this is the point C to A, here there is C to A, this line is exactly at center, this is the center line. Okay, from C to towards A, from C to towards A, this distance is, it measures how much, this measures 9 mm, means this side it is 11, means this here to here is 20 mm, this is 9 mm. So you have to draw a line of 9 mm from point A towards C is 9, enter, angle is 180, enter, you draw the vertical line. Similarly here also from here, this is point, what we call it as, this is point A, from A to C, towards A to C, from C to A, here we are, again it is 9 mm, select this, so 9, enter, 0, enter, here you draw another vertical line. So this is how we are going to draw the numbering. So this is number you write here, this is number 1. Okay, this is point 1, at this point is a distance of 18 mm is number, it is, we call it as, it is 2, and this is point B. Okay, at B you named as number 3, here it is number 3. So you draw the horizontal line from this projection of this line, select line, you draw the horizontal line. Okay, so this is point, this point is 1, just I am placing it here. Select and place it here 1, this is point 2, this point is 3, this point is 3. Okay, this is 4, this is 5, then this is 5, this point is 6, this is 7, this point is 8, then again we come to number 1. So this we are going to make it bold. Select line command, thickness of the line is 0.5. Okay, you select from this end here to here, again it is bold, this point, you select number 2, intersection of these two, you somewhat you zoom this, okay, intersection of this is 3, this is 4, this is 0.5, this is 0.6, this point is 7, this point is 8, again 0.1, and close this. Okay, now this is the development of the lateral surfaces. So we are going to mention the dimensions as follows here. Distance between this line and this line is, you show it, distance between this line, this and this is, you show it 140, and total distance required for the sheet metal is, it is how much, 120 degree, 120 mm, right? And what is the distance between these two lines? As much as possibly clearly mention, otherwise we are going to confuse. Okay, so this is the development of lateral surfaces of the triangular prism. Okay, you have to make these lines also bold. Select line command, 0.5 mm thick, at this point to this point it is bold, this point to this point is also bold. Okay, so this is the development of lateral surfaces of the triangular prism. One of its rectangular face is parallel to VP. Okay, so I hope you understand this, how to use the solid edge version 19. In the next lecture I am going to select another problem that is related to cylinder. It is cut by a section plane. Okay, thank you one and all.